My question is, how does Allah Ta'ala chooses His prophets among mankind?
You see, Allah knows better. And there are some pious people, they are born pious. And Allah knows that they are going to be prophet in future. So Allah trains them from the very childhood and teach them and make their character in such a way that they never do anything wrong. Right? As we see the story of the Holy Prophet of Islam, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when he was quite a young child, at the age of 6 or 7, and he was playing with his fellow children in a village where he was sent by his mother to spend some time with her foster mother. You see, an incident happened that all the children saw a man came and he just got hold of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and he was quite a young child, laid him down on the ground and then opened his chest and brought out his heart and cleaned it and then put it again back into his chest. And all those children were very much scared. Holy Prophet ﷺ himself was very much scared. Those children ran away from that place and went to tell the milk mother of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Then she came out running very fast and very much worried to see what has happened to the Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. But when she saw he was standing all right, so that was just a sort of vision which all the children and the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam saw, and the angel came and opened his heart and cleaned his heart. So this is how Allah Ta'ala cleansed the impurities of the heart of the person who is going to be prophet, and He trains them by Himself. That is what we know. Apart from that, there is quite a number of other things which Allah knows better, and the prophets.